RealVNC are a leading remote access business founded out of Cambridge University around 25 years ago.
We have over 1 billion installs and hundreds of thousands of users globally. And enterprises trust us because it's a highly secure product used across a wide range of sectors. RealVNC invented remote access. Version 8 is a whole new chapter for RealVNC. For the first time, we have a combined application that can receive inbound connections and make outbound connections. So it's much simpler to install and use. Version 8, including everything we do, is secure by design. So our philosophy is to start from a zero trust position. So all the features that you'll see in version 8 are designed with that in mind. We have built a whole new user interface from scratch. You can manage large organizations, large portfolios of devices and users. So one of the key features we're really excited about is Code Connect. Code Connect allows you to connect to devices or users that are outside of your team. If you want to give time-limited, highly secure access to, for example, a technician that you want to support a device in your organization, you can do that in the most secure way in the market via Code Connect. We've also built a whole new address book and filtering system. So if you have a large number of devices in your organization, you can easily manage them using the address book feature, advanced filtering, where you can stack filters on top of each other to get to the devices you want to quickly. We also have new features to enable you to manage help desk use cases. You can have all of your teams securely separated from each other, but easily accessible and easily manageable from within one dashboard in our new application.
RealVNC version 8 is such an important launch for us because of two reasons. One, we want our product to be the easiest to use on the market, whilst coupling with the highest security. We believe that is the most important thing. And when you add great customer service, those two things will make us the best remote access solution in the market.